Many preppers think turning their home into a fortress is the first step. It's a natural instinct. When you feel threatened, you want to build walls, add locks, and make your home look impenetrable. The idea is simple. If your house looks tough, people will leave you alone. But, in reality, this approach can have the opposite effect. Steel shutters, barbed wire, and security cameras seem logical for protection. These features are designed to keep intruders out and give you peace of mind. But while they might make you feel safer, they also send a loud message to everyone who passes by. There's something valuable inside. However, this approach often backfires, painting a target on your back. When your home stands out as the most fortified on the block, it draws attention, not just from neighbors, but from anyone desperate enough to take risks. A house that screams, "I have something worth protecting," attracts trouble. In a crisis, people aren't looking for the easiest target. They're looking for the most rewarding one. Your fortress becomes a beacon, signaling that you have supplies, valuables, or resources others might want. Desperate people will see your fortress as a prize, not a deterrent. The more obvious your defense is, the more likely you are to become a challenge for those who are determined or have nothing left to lose. In a crisis, visible security measures become a challenge. People may start to wonder what you're hiding, and curiosity can quickly turn into motivation for those who are desperate or opportunistic. The fortress fallacy is the mistaken belief that looking strong keeps you safe. In reality, it can make you a magnet for trouble, especially when resources are scarce and tensions are high. True security comes from blending in, not standing out. The safest homes are the ones that don't draw attention, that look just like every other house on the street. The goal is to be the last house anyone would think of bothering. When your home looks ordinary, it doesn't invite curiosity or suspicion. It simply fades into the background. You want your home to look as unprepared and uninteresting as others. No flashy cameras, no obvious barricades, nothing that says, "I'm ready for anything." Just another house on the block. This strategy ensures trouble passes by without a second glance. When people are searching for easy opportunities, they'll skip over the homes that don't stand out. Avoiding a fight is the best way to win one. If you never become a target, you never have to defend yourself in the first place. Be overlooked, forgotten, and underestimated. The less people notice you, the safer you'll be when things get tough. Hide your strength, don't show it off. Subtlety is your greatest ally when it comes to home security. Become invisible in plain sight. In the end, the best defense is to be the house no one remembers, the one that never makes it onto anyone's list of targets. The solution to the fortress fallacy is the Greyman House Strategy. The term Greyman refers to blending in, being unremarkable and invisible. Make your house look boring, neglected, or even poor. The goal is for passers-by to think, "There's nothing of value here." This is security through obscurity, managing perception. While the outside looks unassuming, the inside holds your real strength. Hidden security measures protect you from the desperate and greedy. A house that looks empty or poor promises low resistance and payout. Most will ignore a low payout home. Adopting the Greyman House Strategy is a mindset shift. Deny attackers a reason to target you. Solve problems before they reach your doorstep. Live securely without inviting conflict. In normal times, we take pride in our homes, working hard to boost curb appeal with fresh paint, beautiful landscaping, and inviting touches. We want our homes to stand out, to look welcoming and prosperous, a reflection of our hard work and success. But in a crisis, these very signs of prosperity can become a liability. When resources are scarce and uncertainty is high, a home that looks well-maintained and affluent can attract unwanted attention from those desperate or opportunistic. Flashy cars, expensive bikes, and visible toys all send a message: there's something valuable here. In tough times, these are the homes that stand out for all the wrong reasons. Instead, practice controlled neglect. Let your yard grow a little wild, allow some weeds to show, and don't be in a hurry to fix every little thing. A slightly unkempt appearance can make your home seem less appealing to those looking for easy targets. Let the grass grow taller than usual and leave minor repairs for later. A broken fence or a sagging gutter can signal that your home isn't worth the trouble. The goal is to make your home look like it's struggling, not thriving. A faded paint job, a messy yard, or a little clutter can all help your home blend in with others that might be overlooked. Hide anything that signals wealth. Store bikes, grills, and toys out of sight. Cover up anything that looks new or expensive, and keep valuables away from windows and porches. If you have nice cars, keep them in the garage or use a dirty cover to disguise them. The less attention your property draws, the safer you'll be. You want your home to tell a visual story that says, "There's nothing special here." Make it look ordinary, even a little dull, so it blends into the background of your neighborhood. For security, use hidden cameras instead of obvious ones. Discreet surveillance lets you monitor your property without advertising that you have something to protect. Avoid putting up security signs or alarm stickers. These can tip off potential intruders that you have valuables inside worth protecting. Your home should appear soft and unprotected from the outside, but be tough and secure on the inside. Reinforce doors and windows, but keep those upgrades subtle. Controlled neglect is your first line of defense. A mailbox askew or a porch with a few old newspapers can make your home seem less appealing to opportunists. The goal is to turn away potential threats before they even consider your home. If your house doesn't catch their eye, they'll keep moving. In uncertain times, blending in is your best strategy. Make your home unremarkable, uninteresting, and just another face in the crowd. When you look like everyone else, you're far less likely to become a target. Every home, no matter how ordinary, gives off subtle signatures, light, sound, and smells. These are the clues that can betray your presence to anyone paying close attention, especially in uncertain times or during emergencies. Understanding how to control these signals is the foundation of staying unnoticed. Managing these signatures is critical to maintaining a low profile. It's not just about what you do inside your home, but how well you prevent those activities from being detected outside. Think of your house as a shell. Your job is to keep what's inside from leaking out. Light discipline is essential. Even a sliver of light at night can draw attention from a distance. Blackout curtains are your best friend here, but don't stop there. Use towels or blankets to block any gaps around windows and doors. Double check at night by walking outside and looking for any glow. Sound travels farther than you think, especially when the world outside is quiet. Footsteps, voices, or even the clatter of dishes can be heard through thin walls or open windows. Lay down thick rugs, hang blankets on walls, and use heavy curtains to absorb noise. Consider moving noisy activities to interior rooms. Cooking smells are another giveaway. The aroma of food can drift for blocks, especially if you're grilling or frying. Avoid cooking outdoors or near open windows, and be mindful of what you cook. Strong spices and meats are especially noticeable. Use lids on pots to trap steam and odors, and cook in central rooms away from exterior walls. If possible, seal off kitchen vents and use damp towels to block gaps under doors. Stick to boiling simple foods like rice or potatoes, which produce minimal odors. Avoid frying, baking, or using aromatic ingredients that can linger in the air. Regularly inspect your home for leaks, light, sound, or smell. Run your hand along window and door seams at night, and use your senses to detect anything escaping. Pay attention to wind direction before cooking. If you must vent steam, do so when the wind will carry it away from roads or neighbors. Your goal is to make your home appear as dark, quiet, and lifeless as possible from the outside. No visible lights, no sounds, no smells, nothing to suggest anyone is inside. Remove any signs of life. No shoes on the porch, no toys in the yard, no overflowing trash cans. Keep your mailbox closed and your driveway empty if possible. The aim is simple. Ensure that anyone passing by, whether on foot or by car, has no reason to take a second look at your home. You want to be invisible, just another dark, silent house on the block. This takes discipline. Make it a nightly routine to check every window, door, and vent. Consistency is what keeps you hidden. Above all, keep your home off the radar. Blend in, stay quiet, and let your house disappear into the background. Invisibility is your greatest defense. You need to know if someone is approaching your home. Low-tech, low-profile early warning systems are effective. Use tripwires with bells or cans filled with pebbles. Place crunchy gravel or dry leaves on paths. Plant thorny bushes as natural barriers. Arrange items to create noise traps. Inside, use simple alerts like wedges or bottles on doors. Layered alerts ensure you're never caught by surprise. A strong defense is a series of layers. Start at the edge of your property and work inward. Make breaching your home difficult and noisy. Use simple fences and thorny bushes for the perimeter. Create obstacles between your property line and house. Use subtle motion-activated lights for deterrence. Reinforce doors and windows with hidden security upgrades. Apply security film to windows to prevent quick entry. Inside, have a designated safe room for your family. Keep essential supplies and communication devices there. Hide valuable supplies in multiple locations. Ensure your home is hard to breach but looks unassuming. Layered defenses deter intruders and protect your family. Be prepared for any situation. Maintain a low profile while staying secure. Sometimes leaving is safer than staying. Have a well-thought-out escape plan or bug-out plan. Know multiple exit routes and practice them. Pre-pack bug-out bags with essentials for each family member. Establish rally points for regrouping if separated. Practice your plan regularly to build muscle memory. A good escape plan is your ultimate insurance policy. It ensures you can leave quickly and safely. Protect your family by being prepared to go. Stay adaptable and ready for any situation. Surviving a crisis requires mental and emotional resilience. Keep your family healthy, calm, and positive. Stock a comprehensive first aid kit and maintain good sanitation. Stick to a daily routine for normalcy and morale. Assign chores and create schedules for structure. Stock up on non-electric entertainment like books and games. Small comforts and celebrations boost spirits. Morale is a critical resource for survival. Support each other and communicate openly. A united, healthy family is resilient. Inner strength is the foundation of your preparations. Work as a team to overcome challenges. Stay strong inside and out. Build a supportive environment for everyone. The Greyman House Strategy focuses on long-term resilience. Use hidden gardening for food, like indoor or container gardens. Grow nutrient-dense foods in small spaces. Secure a discreet long-term water source. Use rain barrels or high-quality water filters. Know nearby natural water sources and collect discreetly. Manage power needs with portable solar power stations. Charge solar panels in hidden spots during the day. Avoid loud generators that require fuel. Be self-reliant without making a show of it. Take small, intelligent steps for safety and resilience. Live with confidence, not fear. Have a quiet, effective plan for any storm. Ensure your preparations are invisible to others.